Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the Monday summary of the day. I want to explain why my first idea and main focus was today only looking for a buys. Especially, I am looking for some setup when price is on the zone. Yes, when before Frankfurt or London price is close to the supply, my focus would be to look for a sell. This should be obvious because safer is to trade from bigger zones. And today the price was on demand, but the second great price action was the overall picture, the bigger picture. I want to zoom this out. Let's see, guys, about how it looks like. Here we have huge drop. Yes, big falling market. Here we had equal lows as a support, huge liquidity grab. This is still on higher time frame, and price shot up above the support. Then, if something wasn't clean, we see here the accumulation. Price is preparing for some move. The accumulation was especially confirmed after this high. It was break of structure, break of this whole bearish wave. Yes, so if I can mark my main demand, I see another demand and a new high. For me, this is the end of, maybe temporary, but the end of some bearish structure. And if I realize that, not realized, this is my rule. This is same price action I'm looking on M1. Yes, if I am looking for a buy, it is nice to see the dropping market, equal lows or compression with bearish last push to the downside to get a better price for a true buy. And the same happened on the M30 or even H1. So the change of structure is like after high, in this case, it's like joining the market later, not exactly from bottom, with a safer position. I hope that this is clean. Yes, I know that we are scalpers. We can look for sells everywhere and buys everywhere because zones are made all the time. But today I thought that this is really the safest ever position or idea to look for a buys. Not only that price is on demand before London, but because this overall big picture. Yes, we are joining market later, after retest, after price is on demand. So really like a safer entry on M1. So before joining the market, I shared also my charts. I drew only the higher demand, but then I noticed that low is also the second, so I drew something something special, like one big zone, because it was potentially also going deeper to the lower demand. So I had one big zone as made by two smaller M30 demands. On H1 it looks not so beautiful because here's the ranging market and then big leg out as price delivery to the supply. But on M30 there are definitely two demands. So it was my idea. Yes, safe to look for a buys. Zone, price action for high time frame. For me it was great. I don't want to argue with anyone. You don't need to trade like me. You can take some advices or just some of you join me just for a footprint chart. And you know that I'm very, very picky with setups. I am looking over and over again for same kind of transactions. Only this is making my win rate accuracy so big. Yes, 84%, sometimes 90%. And I'm consistently growing my account to make withdrawals because my all trades are same. I'm not trying to guess, oh yeah, maybe this is still strong bearish trend. So I am only focused on sells. No, I just confirmed by many factors that the buy could be the safe, and I found something. Yes, so today I was trading with a very small account, risking €1 per transaction. I know that I said that I will be not trading, so I didn't grow my main account. I just thought that being with you on chat, I could have better feeling to also really look for setups. Yeah, but it was like it was. I'm just proud that at the beginning so many of you were focused on this buy. We took similar position, even if someone missed. I knew that he was really looking for this, and it was clean. So we are not trying to predict the break of any bigger zone. So even if someone is thinking that this is bearish market, I would be not looking for a sell just few pips above the market demand. I like to trust my drawings, even if they are sometimes wrong. It's better to miss the trade, to leave, yes, to not join the market. If you see that you draw the big demand and price is still doing lower lows, trust your drawings. Do not jump to the trade. Do not try to catch the falling knife. Better to leave, really. Zone is a zone, and I used to do this. I used to predicting the break of zones and trading against my drawings. But now, if I see demand, my blue box, I'm looking only for one direction. So now I can use the imbalance tool. Let's set my default 10. I just want to turn off the alerts. Okay. So it's loading. Great. Exactly now. Yes. But okay, I remember that somewhere here were imbalances. The first was in the middle of this bearish candle, and the second was here on this one candle, the bearish one. So how to read this? Not this. Here we have equal lows and size demand. Yes, so this is the support. It is good to see the liquidity grab, just to visualize what we are waiting for. So then is happening some bearish move with really increasing volume. So this is for me, oh wow, yeah, well, exactly as I said. I remembered good. This is the potential liquidity grab. Yes, all drawings are matched, and then so strong shot to the up with gap. It means gap is also the imbalance. How many and strong buyers appeared on the market that they broke the bearish imbalance. I would of course join after this candle, but there's two buts. The first but, it closed exactly on this imbalance, and the safe stop loss should be a bit bigger. Yes, below the opening of this candle. If this leg out could be bigger and bigger distance between these two imbalances, yes, it would be way safer. But if one is broken and the candle closed on this one, it is still, I wouldn't be sure. I know that Jeffrey probably joined the market directly from bottom. I would be thinking after the second candle, but it also closed on this gap. So for me it was missed entry, but then by reading the price action, we see perfect fresh high. So it is also, as I showed you on the bigger picture, the M30 or 1 hour time frame. We have dropping market, equal lows as support, liquidity grab, and fresh high. Yes, so this is what I am looking for on charts. So that's why, once again, this made me to look for a buys. I did an entry here when I noticed that the bears were defeated. I mean, he was still increasing volume. This increasing volume told me that yes, the all buy limit orders were probably activated, and when appeared this rejection candle, I just jumped into the trade. My TP was very small, like a bit over 10 pips. It was this golden box, because the golden box, please load faster, is here, the 44 on the bid side. So 44 to the 0 is for me big imbalance, and I realized that this can be the safe TP. I didn't want to predict or expect some bigger move at first, especially that for some of you this level was a supply. Yes, with same imbalance here. I didn't draw this because I don't trust the zones made on the Asian session. Take a look on the volume here. Yes, there's very low volume. Only after Frankfurt and especially after London, we have a lot of traders. As the volatility is bigger, so if the zone with even big leg out, really big leg out, is made during the Asian, when there are just small orders, and then come London, for me this is like probably easy way to break the zone. So maybe a few months ago I was drawing this, but I stopped. These are low volume areas, but this big imbalance here was for me as a safe TP, to not be too greedy. Yes, like taking what's mine. And it was perfect. Price just rejected from here, and very strongly rejected. So the distance from the potential H1 supply from Asia session to the main demand was 10 pips. For me this is no distance. This could be like ping pong, to check who is stronger, who is really stronger. I like to see really nice distance as here. As from my supply as a 35 pips. This is good distance to look for trades, or from bottom as a buying, or to have still opportunity to join a bit later, like a few pips above demand. So here was my first trade. It took just 2 minutes, and then I took a bit risky trade. It was the late entry, because I found that when price was here, I was waiting for break of this level. That's because only break of this level could be the sign for me to continue buying to the main supply. It was 21 on the ask side, but I wasn't sure if this here is the true break. Yes, the true break of this imbalance, especially that those two candles put together are like a rejection candle with wick to the upside. But the volume was here very high. Yes, I like this, especially this one candle, which started the delivery to this imbalance, the attack. I think that I also wrote this on the chart, that the big volume is going to this imbalance. Let's see if this will be broken or something like this. And then it was, even on M5, where the imbalance was found, you can see like this big rejection candle, and exactly opened the M5 and closed definitely above this this imbalance. So it was for me the break. This price created another high. Yeah, so even safer to look for a buys. I know that here we have equal lows, even above the daily point of control, but it was far away. I was with true belief that for something someone put a large order just below this imbalance, because he want to break this, not to get better price for deeper invader, but to continue probably the buy. Just my way of thinking, of course. You don't need to listen to me all the time. So here, wasn't sure, the volume was too high, and here the volume decreased. So I joined the market. Price would hit my TP. It was set here on this equal highs. I could also aim for bigger, but I like smaller ways in such a market conditions. He was a bit hot for me, and then price with these weeks made some same highs, yeah, the equal highs. Something was putting the price still down there, so I put my stop loss in profits just below the demand. Yes, this is the correct managing. I was kicked out at break even. It was 1.6 pip in profits, so I call this break even, especially minus the fees. But then price really went in my direction. I was aiming for 1 to the 4 here. Could be nice 1 to the 7. So we don't need more from Forex in one day. And after this setup, it could be the end for me, because everything I would be waiting for was incomplete. Let's say, for example, here, this move. I know that add and sorry if I remember only add. Some of you were selling from here. Even with profits, I'm very proud. Yes, I'm happy, because you're applying some piece from my view to your own view, and you feel comfortable and you are trading with your own plan. So don't get me wrong that I'm telling that this is wrong way. I'm in the summary of the day videos, I'm explaining my own view with my rules. So it's up to you if this is something valuable for you or not. So this price action here is for me the compression. So I would be waiting for the last push to the up. Yes, to my supply. It didn't happen. So I know that nice aggressive entry could be here after this imbalance, especially it was filled on the lower time frame. But this missing candle, I am very picky. I need to see this to feel very safe with my sell. Sometimes without this leg out, the sells are good. But after my really dozens, if not hundreds, sessions I already made, more of time, the safer sell was with this leg out, with this last push. So with bigger percents of situations, only this one was the sign that the sellers were ready, that they pushed the price higher to get a better price. He was just doing the zigzag, only the fight between buyers and sellers. No one won for me on top here. Just one gave up. But sellers probably didn't get the price they wanted. Just like fighting with magnets, and then one was missing, and boom, fall down. But maybe the true intention of sellers was really reach the zone. So it was for me a missing setup. Just because of this, just because of my experience and how many compressions I really tested. Trust my view. Don't be confused why you sold and Sep is telling not. Good, yes. Because you managed this correctly. Even if few candles later the price would reject to the upside, back up, with correct managing, you could still aim 1 to 1 or break even. This is the key. We're not guessing, we're following only own plans. Not the idea was never to follow always my own plan, but yours. So this is the reason why I missed. If we are still on 5, I would say that also he was the missing for me, missing piece. Yes, here's the incomplete compression, and here we have equal highs without liquidity grab. Maybe my zone was drew incorrect. I'm not sure, but I like to trust my drawings really. I was waiting. Yes, for me equal high is the reason to look for a sell, but only with liquidity grab. Same as here, to get a better price, to manipulate traders, to get a faster trade, because if they are taking stop losses from early sellers, then they are going up. They want the lost traders like to make a revenge. They are joining the buyer side with the belief, yeah, okay, I made a mistake, I want to buy now, and then is boom, like a catapult, as Ed nicely compared. So they can really, by manipulation, the big guys can win twice in one setup. So that's why I'm calling this that we are able to catch the momentum, very fast trades. You can see that on my statements, and some trades are longer, like 30-40 minutes, but they're also like 2, 5, 7 minutes trades to get 1 to the 5. I like this huge manipulations, but now we have much lower volume than before December. So that's it. Yes, I trade these two. For me, were safe. 2 missing sell setups, and that's it. I couldn't say more. Just a tricky day. Now the price is once again on the demand zone. Still, this big imbalance 52 on the bid side is holding the price, but maybe it will be broken. No, who can know? It's very late, almost the end of New York. I don't want to predict the market now. I like to really react. I hope that you can understand my view, why I was looking for buys. Sorry, I forgot the name or sample. I didn't mean that I want to argue with you. You were telling bearish market, I was telling bullish market. It's our own view. I'm just explaining on the summary of the day videos. Everyone are able to record their own, send me to upload to the member contribution with explanation, maybe deeper explanations about trades. Let's learn together, right? Maybe my view is with very small number of positive setups of safe one. I just really don't want to risk money. I trade what I see, and doing everyday same trades is making me profitable trader. Because I'm not combining, I'm not looking for anything else new, more. I like the repeatable moves. If one candle is missing, I'm just leaving. So today was, as I said, tricky day. Usually with my account I wouldn't take the first trade because of the just 10 pips. Good Marcy that you just joined exactly same price level. Even 2 candles before, but it was same price level. Very correct one. Even here we can see on the M5 that it was imbalance, rejection candle and short. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Because, yeah, really thank you, much appreciate. Because yesterday I checked the stats, and the statistics are telling me that only 15% of members are watching these videos, and really I'm happy that you are in this 15. And I also know that some of you are watching this 2 or 3 times, so never mind. I'm just happy that you are still watching this and taking some part of my knowledge to you, maybe to try to apply this, maybe just you like to compare this with your own thought. I'm proud of you, how I see the progress. Okay, no more talking, 25 minutes. Thank you for watching guys, and see you tomorrow.